So now we pass to Bomber Command, and those 4 Merlins in formation there attached to this unique aircraft, only one of 2 Lancasters flying in the world today. Without doubt, the most famous and successful Royal Air Force heavy bomber of the entire World War II. A legend that very much lives on, and appreciating the contribution made by the aircraft and its crews to the freedom of our nation, which will hopefully never be forgotten. Prototype Lancaster took to the air for its first flight from Woodford, not far from here, on the 9th of January 1941. And the first production aircraft flew later in the year on the 31st of October. Quite remarkable, therefore, that when we see the Vulcan later on, it was just 11 years later that the same Roy Chadwick who designed this aircraft produced the mighty Vulcan. How aviation moved on remarkably in that decade. The performance of this aircraft was literally quite outstanding. It could carry a maximum bomb load of 22,000 pounds. The maximum level speed with a full load at 15,000 feet was 270 miles an hour. And it could routinely cruise at 20,000 feet.